The Line, Trojena, Sindalah, and Oxagon represent NEOM, Saudi Arabia's ambitious vision for a unique, advanced, and sustainable megacity of the future. In October of the previous year, numerous trailers and videos showcasing the beginning of its construction captured the attention of millions worldwide. However, it's become quite challenging to access recent updates about its ongoing development. So, what's the largest progress on NEOM? And how much has been built so far, if any? In 2021, Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman unveiled The Line, which is the country's most ambitious mega project to date. This innovative project aims to create a self-sustaining linear city stretching over 100 kilometers from the Red Sea to the city of Tabuk in the east. The city's design includes two parallel 500-meter-tall buildings, with the goal of making everything easily accessible on foot while eliminating cars, roads, and emissions entirely. The announcement generated significant interest, especially after drone footage of excavation work was revealed in October 2022. However, details about the current status of the construction site remained limited. So, what is the current progress of the Line project? Based on the latest updates, significant progress has been made on the Line project over the past year. In an exclusive interview with the project's executive director, it was disclosed that approximately 20% of the crucial infrastructure has been constructed. This includes essential roads, offices, and logistic hubs necessary for future work on the site. Satellite images covering the entire length of the project showcase these developments, revealing substantial changes compared to images from the previous year. For instance, NEOM Community 1 now resembles and operates like a fully functional city, featuring numerous housing units, a school, a mosque, a post office, convenience stores, a bus station, and even a Starbucks branch. Additionally, there has been notable progress in excavation work for the main structure of the line, with Google Maps showing the foundations nearly completed from end to end. Excavation work for the coastal section, known as the Hidden Marina, is also well underway. When completed, this section of the project will become the world's largest marina, with the capacity to accommodate vessels up to twice the size of the largest cruise ship, the Wonder of the Seas. Currently, the work in the Hidden Marina is considered the most extensive excavation project globally, with around 1 million cubic meters of earth being excavated weekly to prepare for construction. In addition to the ongoing excavation, piling work has started for the primary structure. In the past year, over 4,500 individual piles have been installed in a segment known as Module 43. At its peak, more than 60 piles of the structure's foundation were being installed daily, and this rate is expected to increase as construction intensifies in the coming months. Furthermore, significant changes have been made to the line's dedicated underground rail system, known as the Spine, as of June 2023. The overall scope of the system has been substantially reduced, including a reduction of over 30 kilometers in the total length of underground tunneling and a decrease in the number of stations from 48 to just 9. With all this progress underway, questions arise about how Saudi Arabia plans to fund it and which companies are involved. The Line, along with the rest of NEOM, is financed and owned by the Saudi Public Investment Fund, the country's sovereign wealth fund directly controlled by the Crown Prince. Currently, the primary driving force behind the ongoing progress is the substantial $700 billion investment. Existing contracts with various companies primarily involve excavation and foundation work. Notable companies involved include the UK's Keller Group, Germany's Bauer, and France's Bache Solitange. State-owned construction firm Power China is responsible for pilot work on the marina. Additionally, Italian constructor WeBuild and Saudi company Sagicode have recently secured a contract to build a high-speed rail line connecting the line to Oxagon. Despite the significant recent progress, the project faces valid criticisms. Firstly, there's an inherent contradiction in the project's promise of sustainability. An expert from the University of New South Wales estimated that constructing the entire city could result in a carbon footprint of up to 1.8 gigatons of CO2. To put this in perspective, this figure is over 4 times the annual emission of the entire United Kingdom, raising concerns about the project's environmental sustainability, especially given its vertical city design. Furthermore, there are serious human rights concerns. Reports suggest that some residents were forcibly displaced from their villages to make way for the construction site. According to the United Nations Human Rights Office, some protesters received lengthy prison sentences, and 3 individuals even faced imminent execution. These human rights issues have become a contentious topic that may impact the project's future. Now, let's turn our attention to the progress on the next major development, Trojena, an extravagant luxury winter and skiing destination set amid a vast mountainous desert. While it shares the grand scale and audacity of the other NEOM projects, one distinct feature sets it apart. Saudi Arabia has a tight 6-year deadline to complete it. The reason? The upcoming 2029 Asian Winter Games, for which the kingdom secured hosting rights just last year. Crown Prince announcement of the project in 2022 came a few months before the successful bid for the Winter Games. Situated approximately 50 kilometers from the Red Sea coast, Trojena is nestled within one of the country's highest mountain ranges. Since its public unveiling, steady progress has been made towards the construction. Over the past year, much of the work has focused on excavating the mountainous terrain to prepare for various developments. A significant 1.6 million cubic meters of material has already been removed to create a massive artificial lake at the project's core. Work on an area known as the Vault, Trojena's vertical village carved into the surrounding mountains, is also well underway. According to the project's executive director, over 1 million cubic tons of material have already been excavated from the mountains. Foundation work for the future ski village has also progressed over the past year. Currently, it appears that construction plans are well on track, with substantial progress achieved in just 1 year, indicating Saudi Arabia's commitment to meet the demanding 2029 deadline. However, despite this determination, numerous unanswered questions and criticisms surround Trojena. The primary concerns revolves around the feasibility of maintaining a winter destination in such an environment. While mountain temperatures can drop below freezing, natural snowfall remains rare. To sustain a functional ski resort, the project relies solely on artificial snow machines, which consume significant amounts of water and electricity. The complexity further intensifies as seawater from the Red Sea is used, requiring transportation over long distances and elevation, as well as desalination. Now, let's discuss Sindalah, another significant project within NEOM that's currently in the construction phase. It's a luxurious island resort situated off the coast of the NEOM city. This island is strategically located by the Red Sea and can be accessed by a boat, seaplane, or the nearby NEOM Bay Airport. Sindalah is set to become a world-class yachting destination, boasting an 86-berth marina. On the island, you'll find 3 upscale hotels, a golf course, and an array of high-end restaurants and retail stores. This major project was initially announced in December of the previous year and is expected to be the first attraction to open within NEOM. Developers aim to welcome the island's inaugural guests as early as 2024. The success of Sindalah holds immense significance for the overall vision of NEOM. Its opening next year will provide the public with their first opportunity to experience the futuristic city concept. Construction on Sindalah is well underway, evident in satellite images from Google Maps. Most of the island is currently in the process of being built, with roads already constructed and a basic layout of buildings and foundations established. Some structures around the island's marina appear to be nearing completion. Additionally, substantial progress has been made in laying out the grass for the planned golf course. Marriott International, having committed to opening 3 luxury hotels in Sindalah, expresses confidence in completing construction in time for the 2024 opening. To the northeast of the island, an entire community dedicated to project development has been established, featuring various offices, logistics centers, housing units, and amenities for the workforce. Among NEOM's major developments, Sindalah appears to be the most advanced at this stage. Lastly, there's Oxagon, the 4th major project in NEOM, a floating industrial port city along Saudi Arabia's west coast. Oxagon is designed to be the business and industrial hub of NEOM. Strategically positioned in one of the world's busiest shipping routes, it will cater to emerging industries like green energy and house the port of NEOM, the megacity's primary industrial and logistics center. With a $2 billion investment, Saudi Arabia aims to open the port's initial terminal by 2025. Apart from industry, Oxagon will function as a fully equipped city with residential, entertainment, leisure, and tourist areas. Several companies are interested in expanding their ventures through this project. These developments are anticipated to open between 2025 and 2026, constituting the city's first residential community. Despite limited news and construction progress, some infrastructure around the NEOM port has been built, as seen in satellite images. Notably, the Oxagon community has been established, akin to those near the line and Sindalah. However, compared to other NEOM projects, Oxagon has seen the least development. Looking at the existing structures, it's evident that Saudi Arabia is committed to translating their plans into reality. How these projects will unfold in the future remains to be seen. And there you have it. I hope you liked today's video update. Do you want to see more content like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We're looking forward to reading your responses. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.